One login, everything you need for digital privacy and everyday spending. This is SORN. No more juggling a dozen different providers. SORN brings your crypto payments, balances, and services together in one place, built around privacy. Your dashboard gives you an instant overview: balance, virtual cards, VPN, eSIM, and all your activity in a single view. With AnoCard, you can create and manage No-KYC virtual cards, including the extra line for more flexibility across different use cases. Move funds with Bridge and Ramp, buy gift cards, create payment links with AnoPay, or access VPN, SIMs, and numbers, all in one ecosystem. And depending on your account, even more features like delivery or marketplace access are available. Verification unlocks better rates and access to selected VIP areas. And if you want full transparency, the built-in privacy check shows exactly what your browser and connection might be exposing. SORN, your privacy control center. Log in, top up, and get started.